Good morning, students. In a previous class, we have learned about the addition of rational number, subtraction of rational number, multiplication of rational number, and division of rational number. I hope you all understood that concepts. Today, we are going to the related exercise 3.2 do now. Okay. So, exercise 3.2. The first one, find the sum. Find the sum. Sum means addition. Okay. So, first problem. Minus 3 by 4 plus 4 by 5. Minus 3 by 4 plus 4 by 5. So, here the denominator are different. So, in this place you should find out the LCM. You should find out the LCM. Okay. So, solution. Minus 3 by 4 plus 4 by 5 is equal to, so LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. 4 and 5 is 20. Okay. So, which number multiply the denominator, we get the value of 25. Okay. That number multiply numerator also. Okay. So, 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20 plus here 4 by 5. So, here which number multiply numerator and denominator? 4. Which number? 4. Okay. So multiply the numerator. Minus 3 into 5. Minus 3 5s are 15. So, minus into plus minus. 4 4s are 16 divided by 4 5s are 20. Okay. Now, two different signs are there. What we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. So, subtract, what we get? 1. The greater number sign is positive. So, plus 1 by 20. That is the answer for the first problem. Okay. And now, do the D problem. 1 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6 plus 1 by 18. Okay. So, directly write the solution. So, here different denominator. In this place you should find out the LCM. What is the LCM of 3, 6, 18? 18 is the LCM. Okay. You have find out using the common multiples. Least common multiple method of common method you have used it and find out the LCM for these are all. We get the value of 18. Okay. So, LCM of 3, 6 and 18 is 18. 18 is 18. Okay. Now, multiply here. Which number multiply the denominator? We get the value of 18. 3 6 are. Okay. So, the same number multiply the numerator also. Plus minus 5 by 6 into here the numerator and denominator multiplied by 3 plus 1 by 18. Here the denominator already had 18. So, need not multiply any number. Okay. Right. So, multiply the numerator. 1 6 are 6 and then plus minus 15 plus 1 divided by 18. So, add the same operation, is it? So, 6 plus 1 7. 7 minus 15 by 18. So, two different signs will come. What we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. So, subtract 15 minus 7 is 8. The greater number sign is negative. So, minus 8 by 18. Okay, it cancel in two table. 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. So answer is minus 4 by 9. Okay. And next one of the problem, F. 3 by 3 1 by 7 plus minus 5 by 14 plus minus 5 by 21 minus 5 by 21. So here mixed fraction is given, you have changed to the improper fraction. Okay, so 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 1 22 by 7 plus minus 5 by 14 plus minus 5 by 21. So here numerator and denominator are different numbers. So in this place you should find out the LCM. What is the LCM of 7, 14 and 21? Okay, so LCM of 7, 14 and 21 is 7 table, 7 1s are, 7 2s are, okay, 7 3s are 2, okay, 1 1 3 3. So list LCM of 7 14 3 is 21 is 7 into 2 into 3 14. 7 2s are 14, 14 3s are 52. So LCM of 42, 14 3s are, okay, 14 3s are, 3 4s are 12, 1 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 4. So 42 is the LCM of 7 14 and 21. Now which number multiply the denominator, we get the value of 42 6 times. Okay, so 22 numerator and denominator multiply by 6 minus 5 by 14. So 14 3s are, okay, and then minus 5 by 21 2 times. Okay, now multiply the numerator. 22 6 are, 6 2s are 12, 1 12 13. So 132 plus minus 5 3s are 15 minus 5 2s are 10. The denominator is 42. Okay. Now add the same sign. Okay, so 132 minus 15 minus 10, both are same sign, so add and put the same sign. So minus 25 divided by 42, divided by 42. Okay, so let's subtract what we get. 132 minus 25, 12, here 2, okay, so 0, here 7, 1, so 107. 107 by 42. It can written in the mixed fraction. 42 2 times of 84. 84 plus 23, 107. So answer is 223 by 42 is the answer for this problem. Remaining problems are homework. Now move to the second one. Subtract the following. Okay, subtract the following. First problem, subtraction. 2 from minus 19 by 9. So solution, minus 19 by 9 minus 2 is equal to, so here denominator value was 1. So take the LCM of 9 and 1 is 9. Okay. So minus 19 by 9 minus 2 by 1, then numerator and denominator multiplied by 9. So LCM of 1 and 9 is 9. Okay. Minus 19 minus 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. So both having the negative signs. Okay, ma, and divided by 9. Add these two values. 7 37 minus 37 by 9. Okay, so it can written as minus 4 1 by 9. Okay, 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 1 37. So minus 4 1 by 9 is the answer. Okay, and next one of the D problem, 7 by 5 from 11 by 5. Is solution. 11 by 5 minus 7 by 5. So they are both having the like terms, like fractions. So numerator subtracted from 11, what we get? 11 minus 7 is 4 by 5 is the answer. Okay, and next one, F. Minus 6 by 21 from 5 by 63. Solution. 5 by 63 minus 6 by 21. Okay. So LCM of 63 and 21 is 63. Okay, so LCM of 63 and 21 is 63. Okay, so first one already having the denominator as 63, and second one minus 6 divided by 21. 21 how many times multiply the denominator? We get the value of 63 3 times. So the number multiply numerator also. So 5 minus 6 3s are 18 by 63. Okay, so minus into minus plus 18 by 63. Add these two values, 23 by 63. It can return, it's not possible, is it? So that's all. Okay, remaining problems are homework. Now see the third one. Find the product of the following. Find the product of the following. First one, 3 by 10 into minus 19 by 2 into 10 by 19. 10 by 19. So just multiply the numerators. Okay, solution. Multiply the numerators. Can you cancel any values? Yes, 19 19s are 1 times. Okay, it's cancelled. So here minus 1 only. 10 10 will be cancelled. So what does remain? So minus 3 by 2 is the answer. That's it. Okay, and next D problem. Three by minus 5. If you can cancel any value numerator and denominator, you will cancel directly. After you can easily multiply the numerator and denominator. Okay, so here also the minus 5 will be cancelled. Here 3 3 will be cancelled. We get the answer for 1 by 7. Okay, and F1. Here also cancel in 3 table 3. 3 will be cancelled. And then 8 2s are 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. Now multiply the numerator. 2 2s are 4, the denominator value was -1. So answer is -4. Answer is -4. Okay, remaining problems are homework. Now see the fourth one. Find the quotient. Find the quotient. The first problem, -4 divided by 2 by 3. So -4, change the operation. After next one of the fraction, write in the reciprocal. So reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Now multiply the numerator. So -4 into 3 -12. 4 3s are 12 by 2. It cancel in 2 table 6. So answer is -6. Okay. Now D problem, 12 by -13 divisible by 1 by 26. Solution. So it can written as 12 by -13. Change the operation. Next one of the fraction can be written in the reciprocal. So reciprocal of 1 by 26 is 26. 1 by 26 is 26. So it cancel in 13 table. 13 2s are 26. So multiply the numerator. 12 2s are 24. Already denominator having -1. So answer is -24. Answer is -24. And F problem in the fourth one, 21 by -36 divided by 30 by 44. 30 by 44. So solution. (21 by -36), change the operation, and next one of the term write in the reciprocal. Okay. Now it cancel in the 4 table. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. Here 4 9s are 36. Here 3 table, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. Now multiply the numerator. 7 11s are 77 by, here -9 into 10. So -77 by 90. -77 by 90. That's all. Now remaining problems are homework. Now move to the fifth one. Simplify the following. A problem, 2 by 3 into 5 by 7 divided 4 by 9. 4 by 9. Solution. First division. First prefer to the division. So first write the multiplication values. 5 by 7. Change the division to multiplication. Write the reciprocal. 9 by 4. Now it cancel in the 3 table. 3 3s are. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now multiply the numerators. 5 into 3 divided by, so 15 by 14. 15 by 14. It can return in the mixed fraction 1 1 by 14. Okay, that's all. And D problem, 2 1 by 5, 6 by 7 plus 1 1 by 7. Okay, solution. Mixed fraction change to the improper fraction. So 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11 by 5. Here 6 by 7 plus 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 by 7. So 11 by 5, 6 plus 8 14, 14 by 7. Okay, it cancel in 7 table. 7 2s are 14. So answer is 22 by 5, 22 by 5. 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22 by 5. Next see the G problem. Solution. Eight by 5 into minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 10 into 11 by 8 into 11 by 8. So first to simplify the inside of the bracket. Okay, so it cancel in 2 table. 2 4s are here, so it's not possible to cancel. So now multiply the numerator. 4 3s are minus 12 by 5 plus here 33 by 80, 33 by 80. Here is 5 only there. Okay, so which number multiply we get the value of 80? 16. 16 5s are 80. Okay, so that same number multiply the numerator also. So 12 by 5 multiple of 16 numerator and denominator plus 33 by 80. So here write LCM of 5 and 80 is 80. Okay, so now multiply the numerator. 12 16s are minus 192 plus 33 by 80. So it is subtracted from these two values. What we get? Minus 159 by 80, minus 159 by 80. So it can written in the mixed fraction minus 1 by 79 by 80 by 1 7 by 79 by 80 is the answer for this problem. Okay, then G is completed. Now move to the H1 of the problem. Okay, so solution. 2 3 by 4 minus 5 by 8 plus minus 5 by 12 plus 1 1 by 6. So mixed fraction change to the improper fraction. So 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11 by 4 minus 5 by 8. So here so minus. Okay, so 5 by 12 plus mixed fraction change to the improper fraction. 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, so 7 by 6. Okay, the denominator and numerator are different, so we have find out the LCM. So LCM of 4 8 6 12 is 24. Okay, so 11 by 4 4 6 are minus 5 by 8 24, 8 3s are 24. Okay, and then minus 5 by 12 12 2s are 24. Okay, and final one plus 7 by 6 into 6 4s are the number numerator also multiply. Okay, so 66 minus 15 minus 10 plus 28 divided by 20 4. So same operation, minus 15 and minus 10 is minus 25, and these are the same operations. So add these two values, what we get? 66 plus 28, so 1494. So 94 minus 25 divided by 24. Subtracted this value, 69 by 24. Okay, it cancel in, so it's not possible. So you will write in the mixed fraction. Okay, you will write in the mixed fraction. So 24 2s are 48, 48 plus 21, and it cancel in the 7 table, is it? 3 table. So 7 3s are 21, 7 3s are 21, and 8 3s are 24. So answer is 2, 7 by 8 is the answer. Okay, so remaining problems are homework. I will write the homework on that side. Okay, homework. Exercise 3.2. First, B C E. B C E from 1 2 3 4. Okay, which are the problems? BCE from the problem 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 irundho the 3 questions ku answer eludano. Okay, so totally you should answering the 12 answers. Okay, and then fifth one, B C E and F. These are the homework from the problem 1 2 3 4. Okay, I hope you are understood the today concepts. If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt to me. Thank you, students.